Hi guys, so I thought it wise to bring to your notice that there's a special product that's coming up on the 1st of November, right? So usually every year we usually hold a training to help people pass their problem challenges, all right, every year. So for this year, we will not be having a live class because last year we had a 3 weeks class, which was 25,000 naira. If you're listening to this, current $25, that was as of last year. But this year we don't have the time because of we have an event coming up next month and another one coming up in December. So we don't have the time to host any other training this year. Right. So I said, okay, how do I help people that some people have met me like for the past since January began, they have filled more than 4 or 5 challenges. Okay, how do I help people to pass their problem challenges? Right. So I thought that okay, let me just come up with a course, just a straight to the point course to tell you how to pass your challenges, right? So this course will be containing various things. Will be containing video materials, how to calculate your risk. If you're a synthetic indices trader, how to transition to currency pairs, what exactly you should be doing. They how to calculate your risk, how to play, how to allocate risk, how to pass your challenges in as early as 2 weeks, how to pass your phase one, how to pass your phase two, how to leverage all of those form stuff, right? So and also as a bonus to the teaching um of this year, we'll be adding the videos of last year. So you have access to last year's teaching, which was 25,000. So all the recorded videos will be available to you. Also, softwares and PDFs, right? All our PDFs, the softwares I use to help me to calculate risk. Because I have softwares I use to help me calculate risk. We have softwares that help us to manage our risk. We also have risk softwares and all of that, right? So it helps you to calculate your risk. So I'll give you some PDFs or some materials to help you to look for setups and all of those forms, right? So this blueprint will just be with you whenever you want to go through it, you go through it. So something can go through at your spare time. And last year the course was 25,000. For this year, since I will not be actively having any live trainings, right? You will have access to last year's course plus this year's teaching. The launch date is on the 1st of November, but you can get it at the pre-order price of 5,000 naira, right? This is the original price, 10,000 naira, but you can get it between now and the 1st of November, right? So that's basically all that is. So this is the link for it. Let me just quickly take you to the platform so you can see how the platform is. So you can also make a payment. So this is the platform now. So if you click the link, you should come to this seller platform. This is the only platform where you can get this course because everything will be on this course. So on the 1st day of November, the course will be available on Seller. So you can watch it on Seller. Everything will be on Seller, right? So Seller is the platform I use for my courses. So it's a pre-launch. You can get this is the original price, 10,000 naira. You can get it for 5,000 naira if you just click on the pre-order button. Just click on the pre-order. Click on the pre-order. You have to put in your name and all of those forms, right? So you put in your name, your details, and all of those forms, right? So that's basically what you should be doing, all right? So if you are interested to get this course, just do how to use the link in the description, all right? Use the link in the description to get it. And once again, I've got to show you guys something. This one I want to show you guys. This is it. So these are the certificates from past students. And certificates from the students that have passed their challenges. This is my paid students where they join. You can see another one here. You just passed it on recently, Maven. So you can see that I have students that have passed several accounts. So I'm teaching you guys what I've taught the paid students. But this time around, I'll be going very specific on how to pass your challenges. Right. So this course is 10,000 naira, but if you get at the pre-launch price, you get it for 5,000 naira, right? 5,000 naira is not up to what I risk on a single trade sometimes. So it's just a very cheap something, affordable for everyone. And I would love to see you guys in the class, right? So have a wonderful day. That would be all. Have a wonderful day. Use the link in the description to get the course. Shares. God bless.